Condensing boilers are becoming more popular with the intent of reducing the water temperature. There is a direct correlation between increasing condensation of the flue gas and boiler efficiency gains. Condensing boiler heat exchangers are constructed of either stainless steel or aluminum construction. For the heat boilers, the front door is manufactured with steel plate and internally insulated with ceramic fiber, mounted on two easy-to-open hinges with reversible opening. Are you looking for condensing boilers and hot water boilers? To have a wide range of boilers, service, and maintenance to the industrial and commercial industry, you can contact O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Limited. O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Limited is a privately owned company that operates as Australia's largest boiler company. They provide a wide range of boilers, service, and maintenance to the industrial and commercial industry throughout Australia. O'Brien Boiler Services has approximately 60 staff across Australia. They have offices in Victoria, New South Wales, Queensland, and Western Australia. So, contact the top company. Visit https://obrienenergy.com.au to learn more.